Mic check. Starting off, I got the Fit Chase D-Heart frame. Don't know what quite year it is, but I know that it is on the spring-summer edition of Dan's Comp, so you can tell bell, buildings. Pretty badass, because, yeah. And then we'll start from front to back. I got the Shadow Vulturous bars, 8.0, with the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips in pink and blue Shadow bar ends. Then for the stem, I got a blue Shadow Attack, Colony integrated headset with generic forks with the Odyssey stickers. I got Shadow blue pegs with my new rim. I got a Shadow Raptor hub with Primo pink spokes, and that laced to the Alien Deviant. Then I got that hooked up to the Animal GLH. Go down a little bit, I got the Odyssey Twisted PCs in pink, glow in the dark. You haven't seen that very often, do you? Then I got the Eastern Pro crank arms. Really nice, holding up. The Odyssey $1 Million sprocket. Good for grinding. I got the KMC half link. Pretty good because I snap all the regular chains. Back here I got the same blue Shadow peg. Oh, let's not forget the seat, just Primo, off of Primo Solo S. And then I got an Alien Nation Free Coaster V2, laced with a black sheep with an Animal ASM. That's my bike. Alright, I got an update to my bike. I changed my free coaster to a cassette coaster, I guess you want to call it, or a free cassette, whatever. You want to listen to it? Let's go for my weed eater. As you can see, I rigged 2 Yu-Gi-Oh cards in there. If you can see that, it's like I'm making a video. I'll throw you. All right. Well, anyway, I'm patenting this, so don't steal it or kick your ass. Well, that's my cassette coaster.